The animated parallel function allows you to animate multiple animations at the same time. We're going to demo this by setting up two separate animations. One is the color animation, which we will default to 0, and the second is a scale animation. For the color animation, we will use interpolate, so we will be animating from 0 to 1, which means our color will start at this tomato and transition to a purple as it gets closer to 1. And then additionally, we will just pass in the scale animation to the scale and apply it to our box. In order to do this, we would potentially have to say animated.timing, and then say this.state.color animation, pass in our configuration object, so toValue of 1, and then a duration of 500 milliseconds, and then we would call start here. Additionally, we would say animated.timing, this.state.scale animation. Our configuration object will say toValue of 2, and then a duration of 300 milliseconds, and then call start. Now this would theoretically work, and we can show that off. We press it, and it's scaled to 2 times the size and also change purple. But these are running at different times, and we may want to only know when both of them are completed. And that's where the animated parallel helps us out. So rather than calling start on both of these, we will remove the start calls. We will say animated.parallel. The animated.parallel will receive an array of animations that we should execute. So we will put these inside of an array, and then we'll need to put a comma here. So we have an animated.timing here, an animated.timing here, and it's inside of an array that we're passing to animated parallel. And rather than calling start on both of these animated timings, we will call start on the animated parallel. Now what that's going to do is it's going to kick these both off at the same time, and then this start callback will not be called until both are completed. So even though this animated timing is going to be completed first because it is being executed quicker, it will not fire until this one is completed. So let's just check this out. Refresh, press on it, and we can see that the exact same effect happened with our animated parallel on calling start. And then to prove that this is not being called until our 500 millisecond animation is completed, we'll put a callback here and just use the alert animation complete. We will refresh this, and we can see that everything was completed. The scale had been completed, and it was transitioned to blue completely before our alert happened.